In a city full of demons, yeah, the streets made me strong. But my head a couple times from little girl to full grown. It was the seed that he planted in me. The rain that fell on me, I blossomed, never looking back. Only moving forward, just my crown. My feet gripping the soil.
Alright, so today was supposed to be like a get ready with me and whatever. I was supposed to get dressed. Today's my anniversary. Shout out to my husband, I love you, babe. And yeah, so that's what that was supposed to be. But I never made my video about cleaning my makeup brushes. So I started doing that today too. So I'm just gonna I guess show y'all. I don't know. My mom just found in, she said, wipe it off the fucking video, it is dusty. She had it for a long time. Okay. Alright, so I had these for quite some time now. And this is the first time they've been clean. And I was wondering why I kept on getting styes on my eyes. Look at these dirty ass brushes. Alright, so I'm putting some more water in a bowl. I use some of that shampoo and I put some dishwashing liquid and some of that extra olive virgin oil, whatever the hell it's called. Whatever. And I set them in there, threw those in there. I mixed them around a little bit so they could like saturate in the water. Oh yeah, I did. Alright, so now they're supposed to soak for like 20 minutes. This is my first time ever doing it, but I had to run to the beauty spot anyway to get some braiding hair. Oh, and now I'm back and I braided my hair while they were soaking. So they soaked for more than 20 minutes. So I decided to clean the beauty blenders first. I had watched a video on YouTube and she was just basically saying to rinse it underwater while squeezing it and stuff like that. So right there, that's what I'm doing.
This is supposed to be a get ready with me video and stuff, but I never cleaned out my makeup brushes. And I'm supposed to do it because I'm supposed to let them stay overnight and dry. You know that soap? So I guess I just gotta keep squeezing it till the soap come out. You see? If it didn't work. Okay. I wish I could have recorded me doing my hair. I ain't had nothing to turn the camera on. You see the difference on the better it is. Maybe I should try to put some. Sure, hold on,
So I realized I had glue stuck to my brush. This shit out of order. I had to go get the comb and whatever. This is tedious. It's taking longer than what I thought it was gonna take. I guess it didn't take that long. All right, so I couldn't get them all the way clean like I wanted to. I just need some new brushes, but yep, there you go.
In a city full of demons, yeah, the streets made me strong. Bumped my head a couple times from little girl to full grown. It was the seed that he planted in me. The rain that fell on me, I blossomed, never looking back. Only moving forward, just my crown. My feet gripping the